So, you've got your own business and you are excited about growing it profitably. But all the paperwork and bookkeeping is keeping you from doing the fun stuff. You know, like selling, taking care of customers, generating profits. Wouldn't it be great if you could have all your finances organized without ever touching a piece of paper? Imagine turning on your computer and being able to see how much you sold, who owes you money, and how much money you can take home. Every night while you are sleeping, Digital Accountant will automatically and securely download your deposits and expenses from your bank, credit card, line of credit, and neatly organize them and record them in your digital accounting books. In the morning, you can check your books online from your smartphone, iPad, or laptop and find out who owes you money, who's your best customer, who's your best salesman. Digital accounting works under a CPA, a human CPA, who will help you develop your company's budget and cash flow projections so you know where your business is going, not just where you have been. Digital accountant works for you 24/7 for a fraction of the salary of one bookkeeper. So sign up and we'll start working on your numbers today and you'll be organized tomorrow.
Created using Powtoon.